How to boost poultry growth and immunity fast with Biobooster, the liquid health formula developed for wise farmers. All the wise farmers are using this product to avoid using synthetic. You can see it. This is 5 liters. This 5 liters goes for 50k only. 5 liters is equivalent to 5,000 ml. You can see it. And there is no adulteration. We bill it directly to your farm. Once you make payment for it, we will bill it directly to you. You pay for the way bill. So wherever you are as a poultry farmer, don't miss this product. Biobooster, the liquid formula. This is just like tea to your poultry birds. It boosts their growth, it boosts their weight, boosts egg production, boosts their immunity. They will become resistant to diseases, and this is safe, unlike synthetic. This is purely probiotic. It is fermented organic herbs, kept and safe for poultry health consumption. Are you tired of slow growth, high mortality, and constant health challenges in your poultry and livestock farm? Then it is time to switch to natural organic solution trusted by experienced farmers. In this particular video, I will introduce to you this Biobooster, a liquid organic probiotic-based health and growth enhancer designed to supercharge your poultry and livestock animals naturally. Packed with essential nutrients and vitamins and minerals and life beneficial microbes, Biobooster transforms feed into a superfood that promotes faster weight gain, stronger immunity, and better digestion and overall flock health without any side effects at all. Whether you are raising broilers, layers, livestock, or any poultry, feathered or four-legged animals, this fermented liquid health formula is your all-in-one solution for natural farming success. Do you need it now? Let me know on the comment section. I will guide you on how to get it. You can use this for complete 6 months in your farm, depending on the number of flock you have. Let me give you the essential nutrients, minerals, and vitamins that are built in this Biobooster, the liquid organic solution for your poultry and livestock animals. It has crude protein for muscle building and growth, 3.5 to 4.5%. It has crude fat, energy source, 1.8 to 2.5%. It has crude fiber, digestive aid, 1.5 to 2%. It has calcium for bone development, eggshell formation, and others, 0.9 to 1.2%. It has phosphorus for skeletal growth and micro metabolism, 0.6 to 0.9%. It has magnesium for enzyme activation and bone support, 0.3 to 0.5. It has zinc for further growth and immune function, 150 to 180 milligram per kilo per liter. It has vitamin E, antioxidant that helps to boost immune health, 20 to 50 IU per liter. It has vitamin B1, which is energy metabolism, 5 to 10%. It has vitamin B2, riboflavin, which is for growth and health of the skin and feathers for animals, 8 to 12 milligram per liter. It has vitamin B6 for nervous system, protein metabolism, and others, 4 to 8 milligram per liter. It has vitamin B12 for food production and growth. It has folic acid for cell production and fur development and feathering. It has niacin, which is vitamin B, helps in digestion and nervous system. It has biotin for skin metabolism. It has probiotics, lactobacillus species and bacillus species for gut health and digestive immunity. What are the advantages of using this Biobooster instead of synthetic? 1. It improves gut health, probiotics that promote beneficial bacteria, reducing harmful gut microbes. It boosts immune system of your poultry and livestock animals, strengthens birds naturally, and boosts their immunity, reducing reliance on antibiotics. It enhances feed conversion ratio. Birds convert feed into meat or egg more efficiently. It reduces mortality and diseases. Better gut health reduces the incidence of arthritis diseases. It supports faster growth and weight gain by improving digestion and nutrient absorption. 5 things every poultry farmer gain using Biobooster against synthetic. It is 100% natural and safe. No chemical residue, no withdrawal period, and safe for organic certification. Lower cost of production. It reduces antibiotics, vitamins, and supplement expenses. Higher profit margin. Your poultry birds grow faster and healthier, increasing market weight and reducing losses. Stronger disease resistance. No frequent outbreak due to improved internal immunity. No drug residues and no drug resistance also. No side effect. Unlike synthetic, growth promoters like Biobooster and are purely organic. There is no sign of antibiotics in them. Are you a poultry farmer? Have you used this Biobooster before? Let me know on the comment section. How do you use it? 1 meal to 10 meal for 100 broilers in 1 meal. What it means is that if you're giving them food in the morning, use between 1 to 10 meal, add it to their 10 meal water and dissolve it. After dissolving it, give it to them. And make sure you continue on regular basis because you are protecting their immunity. Don't skip any day at all. Continue giving it to them till maturity and to sell them off and bring in new one. This particular product is safe for even day old chicks, any age at all. Broiler, any bird, either feathered or four-legged animals. It is good for them. Thank you for watching this video till this extent. If you have any question regarding this topic or any other topic we have treated in this particular platform, please kindly drop it in the comment section. I will respond to your questions and answer all your queries. Then, if you're not subscribed to this channel, we have 2 major channels, Dr. Leona Charles and the Poultry Society. Please subscribe to the both channels because I upload on daily basis on the 2 channels, so that anytime I upload my video, you will get notified by this wonderful app. Do well also to subscribe to our channel membership. Be a member of this channel community so that anytime you have an issue in your poultry farm, you can call on us and we'll also guide you free of charge. You don't pay anything. You don't pay no consultation. We'll guide you on how to rectify the errors or how to correct the mistake you have made in your farm. And at the same time, how to run your poultry and livestock agribusiness profitably. Thank you for watching. The next video is uploaded. For now, till then, I say bye.